Ready to do this YouTube thing? Can you stop playing? Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. The DC Auto Show is in town again. Why does it matter? Well, I am in the market for a new off-roader, and I need your help helping me to pick what that off-roader is. And the three ones that I'm considering are all going to be here. So, the weather is nice. My boy's off school. We're gonna go on a nice trip, sightsee DC, record our way there, look at some new cars, check out one of my favorite food spots in the area. Yeah? Where's your thumb? Yeah? Yeah, so we're gonna go look at some cars, check out DC, enjoy the beautiful weather, get some food, come back, and then hopefully, you guys will help me decide what I'm going to be picking for my new off-roader. Hints, they're all in here. Where's your thumbs? Where's your thumbs? Put them in the camera. Put them in the lens. Under the lens. Yeah, boy, let's go. All right, let's hop on I-66 from Northern Virginia into DC. And as we close on DC, the first thing you're going to see is the Washington Memorial, a salute to our first president. Then comes the Lincoln Memorial, a salute to Abraham Lincoln. Now we're on our approach to Constitution Avenue. The Washington Monument, here it is. Some say if DC were a boy, this would be it. Here we are. Welcome to Washington, DC. First up, the Constitution Avenue. Think of this avenue or this road as the red carpet for DC. DC lays everything it has to offer on this road. Some other famous and popular buildings on Constitution Avenue are the National Archives building. This building is where America's most notorious documents live, such as the Declaration of Independence, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights. Just hanging out. Another building that's on this avenue as well is the Federal Triangle Complex. This is where the bureaucrats plot how to conquer the world, one coffee break at a time, by a printer that's over 50 years old. Another iconic building on Constitution Avenue are the world's best museums, such as the National Archives, the National Gallery of Arts, the Martin Luther King Jr. Museum, the National Museum of American History, National Museum of blah, 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 blah. Pretty much all the museums are going to be on this avenue. They're actually pretty sweet. I highly recommend this. And here we are, DC Chinatown, which is pretty sweet. America has pretty good Chinatowns. Highly recommend visiting them. The one in New York is probably my favorite. LA is pretty cool too, but DC is. Now let's walk to the show. On the other side, across the street from the conference center where the auto show is, you're going to see the bougiest Apple store in the world. It just blends in perfectly with DC's architecture. This has one of the best tech playgrounds I've seen at any Apple store, even better than the one in New York. And it's prime location. Look, it's in the heart of DC, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks beautiful from the inside and beautiful on the outside. Hopefully in one of these videos I'll get to walk in there and show you the inside as well. But for now, let's go check out some cars.
Daddy, I knew it was that much.
You knew it?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
I'm afraid that they won't remember. All these diamonds on me, it might make me last forever. Man, they say the game is kinda slow. Can you make it better? I can fix it up, break it, put it back together. Man, I've been working hard, know that I've been taking measures. Trying to think to when I wasn't, but I can't.
First order of business first. And now the fun can begin.
Man, I've been working hard, know that I've been taking measures. Trying to think to when I wasn't, but I can't remember. Man, anybody claiming that they make it rain treasure. Know that I'ma bring the pressure. Watch your brother change the weather. Watch your brother teach a lesson. Call a brother a professor, cause he's cool with it. When I'm at the top, please do visit. All these two-faced friends got me too cynical.
Oh yeah, this is why I have a love relationship with the 4Runners. Absolutely love these cars. I love that they're sticking to the body on frame design. None of that unibody BS. I love the looks of this car. Rugged, masculine, aggressive. It's instantly recognizable. I like the spacious interior, and most importantly, knowing that no matter what I put this car through, it will not break. Okay. What I hate is that powertrain. I wish they had provided more options than just that V4. All right, my option 2. Bye-bye 4Runner for now. Let's Let's go inside this one. Staying loyal to the Toyota family. I love the look of this car. I love it more than the 4Runner. Very unique, very boxy. What is drawing me to this car over the 4Runner is the creature comforts. It is a little more refined on the interior, and being a family man with kids, having a more refined interior that is nicer to the touch and provides better bodily comforts, it's hard to beat. However, what I do not like is the tremendous price premium that needs to be paid for those creature comforts. Off to the next floor for my third option. Welcome to the third floor. My favorite section, the Ferraris. Ferraris can wait for now because we need to check out option number 3. The Ineos Grenadier. The Frankenstein of off-roaders. A billionaire woke up one morning and decided to combine the best G-Wagon, the Land Cruiser, and the Discovery had to offer. The result was this Frankenstein's off-roader, which I do like quite a bit, except for that BMW engine. This takes rugged to a whole new. From the factory, it comes with snorkels, auxiliary switches, attachment for canisters and off-road supplies already pre-installed. But that price premium and the BMW engine, big resistance factor. Alright, there was a car that caught me completely off guard. And it is the new VW Bus. Look at this thing. It looks like a toy. Like somebody took a Hot Wheels toy and just made it bigger. Did you want to go over there? This thing is super cool. Nostalgic. Cartoonish. It's just a happy place to be inside this car. I was caught completely unprepared to like this car as much as I do. Maybe I should forget about an off-roader and just get a city dweller and get this car.
Guy, watch out.
I hate how much I like it. So freaking cool. Check. As a Star Wars fan, I could not resist but to include this car as an honorable mention in this video. Look how cool it is. I love that matte black finish, all the Star Wars detail, the little Yoda on the inside, and also it's surrounded by other Star Wars memorabilia. Anyway, we have a lot to think about, and we can't do it on an empty stomach. So let's get on the road and hit my favorite food spot close by.
She's a couple feet away, but she's gone. My music puts me on. Shawty knows that any second I'll be gone. She can't tell every time I drop a song if I'm moving up or if I'm moving on. It started adding up when the money started stacking up. Women get the flocking, every man I know is acting up.
Here we are at Munchies, the best chicken wrap in town. I deleted it.
He's gonna show him the video, not me.
He's gonna be famous. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we saw the cars, we got the food. Now I need to make a decision. Help me out. Help me pick a good off-roader. Is it going to be the Ineos, the 4Runner, or the Land Cruiser? If I don't get help from you guys, I'll just make another stupid decision and buy myself one of these.
but any